this video, I'll show you how to make one page of your Word document landscape. So here we are currently in Microsoft Word, and we currently have 3 pages that are all portrait. So if we wanted to make one of these pages landscape, this middle one for example, then what you would need to do is head over to the page before the one that you want to make landscape and just move your mouse cursor over to the page before. So once your mouse cursor is placed just above, we need to head over to the layout section at the very top here, click on breaks and then select next page. Now what this is going to do is it's going to move your mouse cursor over to the second page, and once we've created this break, we can then select orientation from this list of options and then select landscape. Now as you can see, this has now made the middle page landscape, but unfortunately it's also made all the subsequent pages also landscape. So to fix this, you now need to move your mouse cursor over to the end of page 2, and then we're going to select another break and press next page, and once again that's going to move your mouse cursor to the following page, and now we can just press orientation and select portrait, and as you can see we now have one portrait page, one landscape page and one portrait page. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.